After all these years, who knew we'd make such a good TEAM?
Little ghost, you're listening. Unlike most, you don't miss a thing.
So now you have an opinion on equality?
It's the same opinion I probably would have had yesterday.
I walk the halls invisibly.
What in the world did you say to our class to make them change their minds about me?
Stand up for any one of you, even in spite of what you're saying about her. That's who she is. I reminded them that you always find a way to make things right.
Hey, Billy!
How's it going?
Don't I, as a woman, deserve to even have an opinion? Don't you?
My wounded wings still beating. You've always
I don't care where she's from.
Homeliest red-haired freckled witch that ever lived.
A cute girl is a cute girl. Alright, slow it down!
It's a ghost, you see the pain, but together we
Day tomorrow.
can make
Vegas.
something
Beautiful.
beautiful.
Go!
So take my
I don't understand. What's holding you back?
Last night I asked Anne if she thought there was a chance for us.
Why in your mind find your lost? And what if presidents too late?
Now I want to fly into your world.
We are here
I want to be
heard.
My
Alas,
wings still
they
beating.
were
wrong.
You always love the stranger.
And if you ever hassle Anne again, you'll regret it.
You've always loved the strange birds. Now I want to fly into your world.
I believe we can fix people, save them.
My wounded wings still beating. You've always loved